Hi there, today I wanted to share a Christmas Kid Kit. I always use this old Lego case. It holds a lot and God knows I try to stuff as much as I can in it. So let's dive right in. First up is a Mickey coloring book. I pretty much always have to have a coloring book in there now because my son's really into coloring. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Next is the Rudolph Velvet Coloring Board. I got this from AC Moore for $1. Also from AC Moore for $1 is this Rudolph Activity Book. Now, usually I use the Kid Kits for restaurants and doctor's offices, but during the holidays it's also to keep my son busy while we're at so many different houses visiting family members. The Mickey Activity Book with stamps I thought was a really good deal. I found it at Walmart for just under $3. The Here Comes Santa pop-up book I got from the Dollar Tree, and they have lots of other options there for pop-up books. When I'm putting this kit together, I try to keep in mind that when we visit family with little kids, they might want to have something to keep them busy as well. You know, when the adults are talking and doing whatever they're doing. So I try to put a lot of different things in here. Like this Christmas playpad. I thought it might entertain a cousin that's just a little bit older than my son. And this was also $1 at AC Moore. Some Christmas stickers from the Dollar Tree. Also from the Dollar Tree is the DIY tote bag. I wasn't impressed with the quality, but I know that won't matter to my son when he's coloring all over it. Next up is the Play-Doh and crayon set. I got this at AC Moore for $1. They came together, but my son saw this and ripped it open. And in the case, I got the Elf on the Shelf notebook. I got that at the Dollar Tree, and I figured my son could use this to color in, or use the stamps on, or the stickers. And of course those special stampers I love, I also got at the Dollar Tree. Last up, building blocks, and I got these from the Dollar Spot at Target. So there you have it, all done and ready for some fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a happy and healthy holiday season. Bye!